Alright, semi-finished with the exhaust. I still gotta figure out the tip. I'm not gonna use this pipe because I welded on the end of it and one side is like bent. But this, see how it is. Still gonna finish welding that up, but I gotta figure out the angle once the AMG bumper is on the car. Oil muffler goes back, V-band connects the muffler section, resonator, and then flex pipe. I started putting the wastegate re-entry tube in, but I need a V-band because it won't be able to come out with the down pipe in one section. It's a little low. After I welded it, it like pulled some of the piping at a different angle. I thought that would happen, but yeah, all in all, I think it's alright. My first full, actually no, it's my second, to be honest. I did one on my G35 sedan. It was a dual 3. This single 3.5 though, but I like it. It works.